This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Thor Manusos. Close within 30 days. This spacious floor plan is designed for anything from an intimate gathering to your favorite social event. Gourmet Kitchen is well-appointed west/stainless steel appliances, wine fridge insert area with wine rack, gas cooktop, double-wall oven, and micro hood. Kitchen and breakfast nook open to the family room, allowing for a smooth traffic flow. Primary bedroom with spa-like ensuite includes tiled wall shower and relaxing freestanding soak tub. All baths have Cultures marble counters. Easy commuting to Harbour View Suffolk area or to Portsmouth/Chesapeake city areas. Spacious permanent attic stairs leads to a massive attic third floor area that can be finished off for additional square footage in the future of buyer's residency. Listing photos are of similar model. For more information, review the details below.